Good developers write the code, but great developers controls the object creation. If you are also one of them who create objects throughout the project, then you are doing a big mistake and you should definitely learn this design pattern. What happens when object creation logic is scattered throughout your project, then in future if there is any change around the object creation, then you need to make changes at all the places, and in that case multiple files are impacted. To avoid this, we can make use of factory design pattern, which says that all the object creation logic will reside inside a single file or inside a single class. Let's understand this design pattern in detail with the help of this diagram. Consider a scenario where you want to calculate area for different shapes. So let's say there is a shape interface which is having a method called calculate area. Okay. Then there are two different classes. First one is circle and another one is square, which is implementing the shape interface and overriding this calculate area method with its own implementation. Here, if client wants the object of circle or square, then in this scenario, client won't be talking to circle or square to get the object. Here, we will create a different class called shape factory, which is responsible for creating object of circle and square. And here we see one more advantage that factory design patterns brings on the table is the object creation logic is not exposed to the client. Client is just calling the shape factory method to get the required objects. Let's quickly see the implementation of shape factory class. Here if you see in shape factory class, we have a method called get shape instance whose return type is shape. Okay. And here based on the type, it is creating different type of objects. Let's say if you want a circle object, then you should pass circle in the type and it will create circle object for you. If you want object of a square, then you just need to pass square in the type and it will create a square object for you. Okay, let's see the client code quickly. So client is basically calling shape factory get instance method to get the required object and calculating the area of that shape.